Hi friends, today I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install ChromeOS Flex on your PC or your laptop. And now ChromeOS Flex is released and we can just install it. It's not in beta development anymore, and we can install it. Now for this purpose you will require a USB flash drive. Here's the box where you keep the USB flash drives. One USB flash drive with a minimum of 8 gigs. Yeah, the minimum of 8 gigabytes. Here's the USB I'm gonna use today. It's the broken one that we used in the last video. And I'll set the box with the other USB side. You will need Google Chrome. Yes, that's right, Google Chrome, Chromebook recovery utility, and a PC. Yes, that's right, a PC. It doesn't matter what OS you're running that on. It can be Windows, Linux, Mac OS, any OS. It doesn't matter. The OS is important you to have Google Chrome, and I'll tell you why later. Now let's move to my laptop to start installing ChromeOS Flex on. Alright, so here we are at my laptop, and now probably you'll ask why I have to use Google Chrome for this. You can use Edge or whatever else. So I'm gonna show what happens if you use Edge. I'm gonna launch Chromebook recovery utility. I'm gonna close Edge. Here's it. I'm gonna click on Get Started. I'm gonna plug in the USB flash drive. Let's select a model from the list. Manufacturer, Google ChromeOS Flex, ChromeOS Flex. Let's just erase the recovery drive first. I just called it recovery drive. Okay, I'm gonna create another. Get started. ChromeOS Flex, continue, select the USB. Yes, that's right. It will make you errors. That's right. So if you use Edge like I did now, it will show this error message. So that's why you must use Google Chrome. So I have already added Chromebook recovery utility. Let's launch it. Now let's click on Get Started. Now here goes the tutorial. When you add Chromebook recovery utility, wait, I'll just show you real quick. Chromebook recovery utility. Yes, here is it. Here is it. I'm gonna leave a link to it. Now, this is the same process as creating a recovery media for a Chromebook. Yes, that's right. Now click on Get Started. I'm going to select a model from the list. Manufacturer, Google ChromeOS Flex. ChromeOS Flex. And let's click on Continue. Select USB. Click on Continue. Let's click Create Now. And this works now. That's why you must be on regular Google Chrome. If you want to use Edge, for example, or any other browser, for example, my main browser is Microsoft Edge, and I had to manually download Google Chrome to get this working. Or if you want to use Microsoft Edge, for example, you will have to use a local image. Yes, that's right. So I'm gonna leave it to download the image from the servers, maybe the USB flash drive, and yeah, let's try and get this done. click on done. Now we can move to my desk to install ChromeOS Flex on the target laptop. Alright, so here we are in the boot menu. You need to press the boot option key so it boots into the boot menu. And one thing you'll probably ask, Stefan, you already did a tutorial on how to install ChromeOS Flex on a PC or a laptop. Why on earth are you doing it again? I told you before, ChromeOS Flex is already done. It's not in beta development any longer. So here we are. Let's select our USB flash drive. Press enter. Now we're gonna boot into the ChromeOS Flex installer. Now we're just gonna wait to do that. Here's the ChromeOS Flex booting screen. Alright, so here we are. Welcome to ChromeOS Flex Fast Secure F+. Now let's click on Get Started. Now I recommend, like always, I recommend you to try it first from the USB. But I'm gonna install it now. I've already tested this before recording this. Install ChromeOS Flex. Now before you click install, I want to tell you one thing. This will erase your entire hard drive. Yes, that's right. Make sure you have backed up your hard drive. So for example, this laptop has 2 disks. How I'm gonna install it? I mean 2 disks, I mean a 24 gig SSD that's built in the motherboard and a 256 gigabytes SSD. And just to know, ChromeOS Flex requirements are 4 gigs RAM, 16 gigs storage, I think a 64-bit CPU, but I'm not 100% sure. And yeah. Now, if you don't want to lose data, you might want to remove the other hard drive. If there are other drives plugged in your computer, make sure to back up the hard drives if there's only one. And yeah. Now, once you click install now, it's too late. Once you start the installation, you cannot cancel it again, so there's no turning back. Now we're just gonna wait to install it. Now, alright, so the installation has completed. I wonder why did they remove the shutdown option. Wait a second, can I manually turn it off? Hey, I can actually. That's actually great. I don't have to wait 30 more seconds for it. Let's just manually turn it off. Alright, so I ejected the USB flash drive. I'll leave that aside, I don't need it anymore. Now let's power on this beast. Oh, and by the way, if you want to install ChromeOS Flex on a PC, you'll need a PC from at least 2010. Maybe you can install it on older hardware, but you will face some issues. Now let's just set it up. Alright, so installation has completed. We have successfully installed ChromeOS Flex on the Asus UX32VD Windows laptop, and it actually works great. It's smooth. I actually love this thing. So that was all for today's video. If this helped you, make sure you have liked this video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!